Today, we're exploring the wonderful world of herb farming. Whether you're keen on developing spices for cooking or their therapeutic properties, we take care of you for certain convenient tips on the most proficient method to develop them and transform them into an effective business. Growing herbs. Selecting herbs. Choose herbs that match your local climate and soil. Famous choices incorporate basil, mint, rosemary, lavender, and chamomile. Every spice has its own necessities, so make a point to do a touch of exploration on what works best. Preparing the soil. Herbs thrive in well-drained soil with lots of sunshine. Check your soil's pH and enrich it with compost if necessary. Most herbs prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil. Planting, you can start herbs from seeds indoors or plant them directly in your garden. Make sure to space them properly to give each herb room to grow. Herbs like basil and parsley also do well in containers, which is great if you have limited space. Caring for your herbs. Water them regularly, but be careful not to overdo it. Most herbs don't need a lot of fertilizer. Keep an eye out for pests and any signs of disease and address them as needed. Using herbs for cooking. Fresh herbs like basil and mint add great flavors to your dishes. They're perfect for salads, sauces, and even teas. For medicine, herbs such as lavender and chamomile are known for their calming effects and can be used in teas or skincare products. Selling your herbs, create a brand. Develop a unique brand for your herbs. A catchy name and a great logo can make a big difference. Packaging. Use attractive, eco-friendly packaging. Make sure to clearly label your herbs with information about their uses and benefits. Build an online presence. Set up a website and use social media to reach more people. Share recipes, tips, and stories about your herbs to connect with potential customers. Sell locally. Join farmers markets and local fairs. Personal interactions with customers can make a big impact, so offer samples and build relationships. With these tips, you can begin a flourishing spice ranch and offer the delights of new regular spices with your local area. Assuming that you partook in this video, remember to like, buy in, and hit the ringer symbol for really cultivating and business tips. Cheerful spice cultivating. Cheerful.